Today you will see one of the fastest three-cylinder engine replacements ever filmed. This is not a typical repair in a modern workshop with cranes and expensive tools. This is pure skill, strength, and teamwork from African street mechanics who know how to get the job done quickly and effectively. The process begins with the careful disconnection of all wiring, hoses, and accessories connected to the old engine. The masters remove every part that might interfere with lifting the motor out of the car. Even the hood is taken off to make sure there's enough space to pull the engine upwards. Then comes the most impressive moment. Two mechanics jump into the engine bay and manually lift out the old engine. With no special lifting equipment, they manage to extract it with raw power and coordination. At the same time, another worker arrives carrying the replacement engine, already prepared for installation. Before placing it inside the car, the team transfers all the necessary accessories and parts from the old motor while discarding components that are no longer needed. The highlight of this repair is when the senior master shows incredible strength. He lifts the new engine in his own hands and easily carries it to the car for installation. The younger apprentices stand shocked, amazed by his power and experience. Inspired by this, one of the junior mechanics attempts to lift the old engine himself. He manages to do it and carries it to the trunk for transport to the workshop for a major rebuild, though his back will probably remember that effort for a while. Once the engine is in place, the team reconnects all wiring, hoses, and mounting points, carefully ensuring everything is correctly installed. They then clean the intake manifold seating surface, install a fresh gasket, and mount the manifold back onto the engine. Next, the radiator and battery are reinstalled to complete the assembly. With the new motor in place, the mechanics fill it with engine oil and coolant, reinstall the hood, and prepare for the ultimate test, starting the car. With a quick turn of the key, the engine fires up smoothly and runs perfectly. The express replacement is complete, and the car is ready to be returned to its owner. This video is a true demonstration of how skilled mechanics can achieve results that seem almost impossible, using nothing but teamwork, knowledge, and physical strength. Would you try lifting an engine with your bare hands? Do you think this is impressive skill or just risky work? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There are many more incredible repair videos coming your way.